our armed forces, and those scenic pictures are also being seen from Leh, where thank you COVID heroes, our warriors, for keeping us safe, for battling this pandemic for us and being out there 24/7 to be with us, to help us keep safe. And those pictures that have been shared from different parts of the country simultaneously coming in as we play out a maximum of those pictures that come in at this point, where naval helicopters that are being used, the Air Force choppers that are also being used, and aircraft, transport aircraft that is being used, jets that are being used. Thank you, COVID warriors. A single message that is being done to express solidarity to our COVID warriors. Earlier, that was decided in the national capital that we will be shortly getting those pictures also coming in, that there would be a slight delay. Now we are getting to know it is back on track despite the weather conditions there. In different parts, especially the coastal areas, we are getting these visuals on your left right now from Ahmedabad. We'll quickly put up those location bands as well so it can help you understand, because these pictures are coming in very fast and simultaneously as we continue to play them out for you. From Leh, we witness from Srinagar, Dal Lake, now the fly past in Leh that is happening. Our warriors are getting the kind of a fitting salute, a tribute that is being paid for them. And Leh was one of those areas right from the beginning, had reported many cases, but those have recovered significantly till now. And thank you, COVID warriors. The Srinagar to Thiruvananthapuram, from Dibrugarh to Kutch in Gujarat, the armed forces are expressing their thank you. Fly past that is taking place, showering of petals that we just witnessed in Panchkula and also in Goa. This is how our armed forces is boosting the morale of each and every COVID warrior. The updated health ministry numbers that have just come in, India almost touching the 40,000 mark as we continue to play out the different visuals also coming in. Our guests, our special guests, are also joining us here on the broadcast. Let me quickly welcome them as well. Retired Colonel Shailendra Singh is with us, defense expert. Major General Ranjan Kochhar is also joining us here on the broadcast. Good morning to you. And my colleague Richa also continues to be with us. Colonel Shailendra Singh, what comes in your mind when we play out these pictures coming in? The symbolic gesture, a very unique gesture, and this is coming across as one COVID warrior is thanking the other warrior.
You see, it is like this, that the defense forces, as what you are very rightly saying, are the yodhas. And it has been a tradition in India, even long back, that one yodha always appreciates another yodha. The other yodha may be beaten, may be fighting, but the strength of that yodha is always appreciated. By these gestures, what is going on, we are doing three things. One, we are appreciating, we are thankful, we are expressing our gratitude, and the best part, a silent message which goes to everybody in the country. The defense forces are with you against any aggression, and even we are there with you, standing with you for any internal problem what we are facing. And we salute anybody and everybody who's involved in this fight against COVID. That is the message which the defense forces are conveying by involving all three forces, expressing their gratitude towards the country and the people who are called as yodhas, you are called as corona warriors.
Well, the S&M hospital there in Leh, these pictures coming in, and Major General Kochhar, because we are trying our best to explain these pictures to our viewers, and significantly the weather has cleared up and we can see very clearly from Dal Lake and Srinagar, very picturesque and scenic pictures that came in right now from S&M hospital in Leh, and this is a fitting tribute